di gamelan Balagangkir.
Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, today in this occasion also presenting the Non-Chang tradition. Non-Chang is a tradition of pounding rice in Balinese society, which produces a pounding consonant sound. This tradition is accompanied by Balagan Gamelan. Museum Paku. Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Paku Museum on this occasion features Fred Ayan. It was hosted today with the Parliament Conference by Vice Mr. Speaker for the 4th Bali Conference Festival 2022. The Fred Ayan procession begins with the flight of the Ayan Patika Museum, followed by the Paranga Line, the Balinese traditional dress line, the flower Gabogan line, and June or water.
Museum Pasifika pada kesempatan ini menampilkan peda air yang dikemas dengan berbagai sajian tematik selaras pesta kesenian. Prosesi peda air diawali dengan menampilkan barisan identitas, dilanjutkan dengan barisan kesenian, barisan busana adat Bali, barisan kebongan bunga, dan barisan pembawa jos atau tempat air. Sebagai implementasi tema pesta kesenian, Museum Pasifika menampilkan fragmen Dewi Ganu, ringkasan intensitas dari